here this the controller name, and if you are sending ID means those things will change. Then what we have to do is we have to create a default header. To create default request header, we have to do is first we have to clear the header. Then after that we will default request header accept karala add header value. We have to keep this as a application JSON. Okay, right. These are the stuff we are code inside this HTTP client variable. We create a object from the HTTP client and we replace the basic base address URL that's coming from then other, and that we place the default request header, and inside this HTTP client variables class. Okay, and save and close this, and close this one also. And here in the employee MVC project, I will go to the employee controller. Inside this employee controller, I will cause the MVC employee model. Okay, create a list enumerable, and the other thing is we have to call the API inside this index method. So what we have to do is we have to create the HTTP response message or response message object, and calling our static class. What's the name of the static class we mentioned? HTTP client variables dot HTTP client, and we have to call get async, and inside the get asyncs we have to mention only the employee control. We have to mention only this employees. Copy this, because other or base address will be coming from this HTTP client object. Okay, and we have to mention result here, and employee models, HTTP response messages, HTTP response message, and what's the content dot read as async, is enumerable. We have to pass the type here. Enumerable MVC employee model. Result. Okay, saved. And whatever the results that come to this employee model, we will pass this in. We will pass to this view. call our API here, right? Employees API. We call our API inside this index. This means this index method is inside the employee MVC project. So now what we have to do is we have to create a view for this index method. We will create, right click the index and add view, and to template I will select as a list, and model class should be MVC employee model, and add this. Okay, the code is automatically generated here, and save all the things, and now I have created the employee MVC project and the employee web API, and what we have to do is I have created both applications, and we are plug this application as well. We have connected these applications. So what employee MVC project, the user will send a request to this MVC project, and the MVC project sending the request to the web API, and web API will send the request to getting the data from the SQL server and showing in the views. That will happen using this application. Okay, we will run this application and see what will happen. Okay, I will run using IS Express. So another part is missing. Yeah, it won't work. I know the problem is yeah, I will stop and fix that issue. Here in this solution there are two projects, right? Then if I run this project main, right click this solution and properties, you can see it's configured to run a single project. Here is configured to run a single project, single startup project. This means if I run now, this means only the employee web API project will run. The employee MVC project is not running. So in that case we have to select this multiple startup project. So I will select this employee MVC project as a start, and the employee web API project as start, and apply those and hit OK button. Now the both projects will run. Yeah, both are built. Here both project is running. Here this is a 44315 and this one is 44359 is the board. This one is this one is API project, and this one is our MVC project. So here I have to, it means user have to log into the employee controller. So I will type this as controller here, employee. Okay, and enter it. Okay, now you will see all the details in the you can see all the details in the SQL server is coming to our application, MVC application. Now what I did is I send a I click the I give the employee controller name here. Then it goes as a get request. So first it's come to this employee MVC project and to employee controller. Okay, in the employee controller you can see here I call the HTTP client variables, HTTP client getting employees, call the web APIs employees web API employees, it means employees controller. So we are going to web API and we'll see where it is. Okay, employees controller. In employees controller is a get request, so it's come to this one. Okay, and inside then code will look inside this. What they did is they only return all the employees inside this DB context inside the database. Okay, it's using this employee DB context is connected to our SQL server. So they take all the employees from the SQL server and return here in the get employee. So it's all the employees will go as a response to this invoice model, this employee controller, as a response to this employee controller for this employee index method. So then after that it passed to this view, all the response will be passed to this view. So here the data will showing the view like that. That's how that request and response is going through in that application. I have recorded up to 1 hour now. Okay, I will continue my create, edit, details, delete all the stuff in the other tutorials. So if you have any doubts or anything, any comments, please mention below. And thank you for listening. Thanks. Bye.